Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Government of India is committed to provide better facilities to citizens, and for that it has taken various path-breaking initiatives in the field of infrastructure development, multimodal connectivity and technological innovations. From 248-kilometer metro lines in 2014 to 858 kilometers today, India has seen a phenomenal increase in metro rail connectivity, with 20 cities currently enjoying the metro rail services. There are currently 971 kilometers of metro and regional rapid transit system projects being constructed.
हम भारतवासियों ने आजादी के अमृत काल यानी आने वाले 25 साल में विकसित भारत के निर्माण का विराट संकल्प लिया है। विकसित भारत के इस रोड मैप में आधुनिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का बहुत बड़ा रोल है।
Kochi, the commercial capital of Kerala, is surrounded by 10 islands. The islanders depend on the city of Kochi for earning their livelihood, trade, business, healthcare and education. Thus, the plan was to connect the islands with the city in a metro-like fashion, having seamless connectivity with the metro rail system. With its immaculate reputation for excellence, the Kochi Metro Rail Limited, a 50-50 joint venture of Government of India and Government of Kerala, was entrusted with the responsibility of implementation of Water Metro project. It is a unique mobility solution connecting 38 water terminals across 10 islands and the mainland on a stretch of 76 kilometers, expecting to transport 34,000 passengers every day. The funding of project from KfW Germany could only be possible due to the sovereign guarantee of Government of India.
കൊച്ചി വാട്ടർ മെട്രോ പദ്ധതി ഒരു നഗര ഗതാഗത പദ്ധതി മാത്രമായിട്ടല്ല കാണേണ്ടത്. വേഗത്തിലും സൗകര്യപ്രദമായും കൊച്ചി നഗരത്തിനുള്ളിലെ സാമ്പത്തിക തൊഴിൽ സാധ്യതാ മേഖലകളിലേക്ക് ആളുകൾക്ക് എത്തിച്ചേരുന്നതിനാണ് അത് വഴിയൊരുക്കുക.
Kochi Water Metro is the first of its kind electric public water transport. These state-of-the-art battery-powered, fully air-conditioned electric boats are manufactured by the Cochin shipyard, boosting the Make in India initiative. The Water Metro terminals are specially designed as disabled-friendly with concrete floating pontoons. The Water Metro has two types of boats, 100 passenger and 50 passenger capacity. These boats are equipped with the latest LTO batteries, and in just 15 minutes, the chargers have the ability to fully charge the boats. The vessels are equipped with the latest navigation and communication tools to safeguard passengers. The Kochi Water Metro, upon becoming operational, would hold the distinction of being the world's largest fleet of electric boats providing organized urban water transport services. This initiative demonstrates India's commitment to become a leader in seamless connectivity and realize Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat.